wanted to talk about two partners we're working with. So one is Synapse. So we are going to do creator and KYC at scale. So Synapse is actually an investor in my other startup. And as such, we've got a very good pricing deal with them, where it will be in the low single-digit dollars for doing KYC with an API. And it's going to be a good partnership because they are also moving to verifiable credentials. And we are, through our creator base, going to support the W3C verifiable credentials standard. And so it comes very nicely to have a partner who's going to do the KYC for us. In another presentation, I talked about the 5 levels of KYC we're going to have. So we have email, mobile, one called liveness, which are you a bot or a human being? Then there's the address. And then finally, there is identification verification. So the way we are thinking about KYC on our protocol is we provide the mechanism for creators to get the KYC done, but we allow dApps to dictate what KYC requirements they have. So for example, if there's a marketplace, right? The marketplace could stipulate that if you are going to try and list an artwork here that is, say, in excess of $10,000, then you need to be at KYC level 3 or something like that. Or if you intend to list an artwork for $100,000, you need to be at level 5, because ultimately our protocol is all about trust, increasing the trust for collectors, increasing the trust for creators, increasing the trust for investors. And that trust comes when you have high dollar value that is backed up with KYC. So you know exactly who is buying, who's selling, etc. And that's important. The second partner, which I'm very excited about, is my alma mater, is Western Michigan University. So what we're going to do is start including there and work toward having Vitruvio in academic curriculum. So that I think is really positive, because now we'll have comp sci students, etc., understand more about the protocol. And we're also going to initiate joint projects with art and computer science students. So I'll be going there and working with the sort of leads of those departments to initiate the program. Now, you might not think of this as important, but let me tell you something about Apple's strategy that led to where it is today. There used to be a time during the PC wars where Apple was, Mac was hardly anything. What was Apple's strategy? Apple went on every campus and created and had student reps there selling Macs to students at huge discounts. Why? Well, the technology that the students use in school, when they graduate, guess what they're looking for? They want to work with that same technology. So what we want to do is look at the future generation of artists and creators and developers. And what we want to do is get them using and comfortable with Vitruvio while they are in school, especially seniors, because they are the next year, they're going to be out in the real world, working, etc. So with this approach, what we want to create is a template for other universities around the world to start using, where Vitruvio becomes an important part of academic curriculum for first, for art majors, and second, for computer science majors also, to develop interesting art applications on our platform. So I'm very excited about this, and you'll be hearing more about it. I'll probably have the lead that I'm working with come on in one of these downloads and talk more about it as we progress further. So really exciting news there.